Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Guru Maharaj has bestowed the mercy and blessed the whole humanity with the divine hymn, the sermon that imparts the divine wisdom. That wisdom which brings the joy and bliss in one's life. Hukamnama is placed in Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj on Ang 670. Guru Maharaj has composed the Hukamnama in beautiful melody called Tanasri, which provides the cheerful mood. Dhan Dhan Guru Ramdas Ji Maharaj, the fourth embodiment of Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, reveals in today's Hukamnama. We must understand that this life has been blessed to us to serve Vaheguru and merge with Vaheguru. If you go around, go to the Gurdwara, go to any religious place and ask the worshipper, Gurmukh Pyare, that I want to have darshan of Vaheguru. And that is what the life is for. You may get the answer that I haven't had the darshan, how I can help you to have the darshan of Vaheguru. I haven't had the vision of God, I haven't experienced God, how I can help you to experience God. Or the other answer might be, well, ask for worldly things, get rich. Why you worried about, or why you bother about having darshan of Vaheguru? Enjoy your life. Then some people, they may laugh at you. Are you insane? Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj was laughed at. Koi aakhe putna, ko kahe betala, koi aakhe aadmi, Nanak bechara. Guru Maharaj reveals, Bhaya Diwana Shah ka, Nanak Borana. When I became insane to have darshan of Vaheguru, Diwana. Diwana means absolutely insane. I had the deep craving to see Vaheguru. People started calling me a demon, a fool. But this is what people may tell you, call you. You are insane. You want to meet Vaheguru? Forget it. But Guru Maharaj reveals that I have been to everyone to ask for that bliss. I'm seeking that bliss. But no one can understand the pain in my heart. मेरे शाह मैं हर दर्शन सुख होए, हमरी बेदन तू जानता शाह, और क्या जाने कोई. Bedan means suffering, the pain. No one knows my pain. Only you understand my desperation, my craving to be with you. Mere Shaha, oh my Shaha. Shaha means my Lord. मैं हर दर्शन सुख हुए. By having your darshan, by experiencing your presence, only I have the joy in my life. I have happiness. Rahao, this is the essence. So Guru Maharaj inspires us to pray to Vaheguru, not to human beings. If you go to human beings, you will be disappointed. Manukh ki tek birthi sab jaan. Manukh means human beings. Tek means sport. Sport of the human beings is not going to be fruitful. Devan ko ekha Bhagwan. There is only one giver who can bless you with the ultimate and eternal peace. Jiske diye rahe agaye, bor na trishna lage aaye. When Vaheguru will bless you with the peace, you will be fully content, satisfied. My Lord, you are true Lord. Sacha Sahib. Sach tu mere Shah. Tera kiya sach sab hoye. Whatever you do happens. Whatever you think happens. You are Sacha Sahib, you are the true Lord. You may come across the president, prime ministers in this world. When there is election, they may not be prime ministers anymore. Someone else takes over. But Vaheguru, no one can take over you. You are Sacha Sahib, you are eternal. As long as the universe is there, you are the true Lord and Master. No one can replace you. झूठा किसको आखिए शाह दूजा नहीं कोई. We can't call anyone or anything false. Whatever is happening or whatever the persons are like, we can't call them false, because everything is happening in your hukam. Person who is misbehaving as per your laws, your hukam. Someone is a thief. Someone is a murderer. We can't call that person chutha. We can't call that person false. Why? According to the karmas, that person is what he is today. Guru Maharaj describes in Japji Sahib Bani, Asank Murak Andhakor, there are so many fools around. Ignorant, Andhakor. Asank Chor, Haramkhor. There are so many thieves. They steal the wealth of others. Haramkhor. There are so many haramkhor, means cheats. Hypocrites. They cheat the government, they cheat each other. But right in the end, Guru Maharaj says, we can't call them chuthe. According to their demands and the thinking, they are in that box. Everyone is in different boxes. Guru Maharaj says, Nanak neech kaha vichar, varya na jawa ek var, jo tud bhavai sai palikar. Vaheguru, people are thieves, they are murderers, they are cheats, because that's how they have ended up, by being away from you. And being there, when they steal something, they get imprisoned, they get punished, and that is the medicine to get back to you. Dukh daru sukh rog paya. Jadon maar pendi hai choran nu, phir kehndे nahi hun galat kam nahi karna. In England and other countries, the thieves are made to serve the community. They do the community service. The idea is they can learn to be good citizens. So that suffering, that labor is not bad, it's good for them. So kehte hain dukh bhook sadmar eh bhi daat teri daatar. Vaheguru, so many people are suffering, they are being beaten, they are being punished. This is not a curse, this is a blessing from you. So Guru Maharaj further reveals, Vaheguru, you pervade in everyone. Sabna vich tu vartada shaha, sab tujhe dhyaave din raat. Everyone remembers you. So Satsangadi, there are so many atheists in the world. This question was asked by the Sangat. How is it possible? We see so many people who deny God. Again, same principle applies. People deny God, they end up in suffering. When they end up in suffering, they remember God. There is an example of Bhai Datu Ji, who was so jealous of Guru Amar Das Ji Maharaj, being son of second Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. He thought that he is the successor of Guruship. But he didn't get the Guruship. Guruship was passed on to Guru Amar Das Ji. So in the Divan, in the congregation, he kicked Guru Amar Das Ji in the ribs. Since that day, he could not walk properly. He used to limp. Now, he didn't have faith in Guru Amar Das Ji. When he started limping, he had the pain in the leg. He came back to Guru Amar Das Ji. So that dukh made Baba Datu Ji come back to Guru Amar Das Ji and ask for forgiveness. So that dukh became the medicine, became the cure to come back to the Satguru. So Vaheguru, everyone ultimately will remember you and worship you. Now this is beautiful. सब को तुझ ही विच है मेरे साहा, तुझते बाहर कोई ना है, सब जी तेरे तू सबसदा मेरे साहा, सब तुझ ही माए समाए. One day everyone will merge back in you. Saad Sangat ji, the quantity of water in the whole universe is exactly the same. It just recycles, turns into vapors, then rain comes down. Similarly, we all are little rivers, rivers of life. There's a river of air, blood within our body. But this river has to merge back with the ocean, Almighty God, one day. Guru Maharaj describes in Bani, Nadiyan ate vaha pamay samund na janiya. Samund means ocean, Nadiya means rivers. When the rivers merge back with the ocean, there is no differentiation. You can't say this is water from the river, this is water from the little small river, it's ocean. One day everyone will merge back with you, Vaheguru. So Vaheguru, this is my ardas. Jyo paave, tyo rakh tu mere pyare, such Nanak ke Padshah. You are Nanak's true Lord, Vaheguru. Whichever way you want to keep me, keep me. You know the best. What is best for me? I'm your child. Bholna chukan di maafi. प्यार ना फतेह सांझी करनी जी. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.